where is the demarcation line between physics and mystics, mysticism? Uh, Stephen Hawking was a scientist, was a physicist, but he was also a mystic because his ideas about infinite pressure, infinite density, infinite temperature in the first moments of the Big Bang. This is not physics. This is a mysticism. Okay. Infinity, term infinity can be used definitely in mathematics because it's a core of mathematics. But when we start using term infinity in physics, we have been passing the border from physics to mysticism. And all these cosmological models, which they have these gravitational singularities and all other kind of physical singularities, this is not physics. This is a mysticism. So Roger Penrose, Professor Roger Penrose, he is also both. He is a physicist, but he is also a mystic because his idea of gravitational singularity and infinite curvature of space, this is not physics. This is mysticism. This is something. This these ideas about infinities has brought in physics some mystics, something that nobody can really understand. And in order to make physics science, hard science, exact science, we have to remove all kind of infinity from physics, because in physical reality nothing is infinite. The only thing that is infinite in the universe is that universe is infinite, because universe has Euclidean shape. It's infinite. But to talk about gravitational infinity and pressure and temperature, and so this is not physics. If only one black hole in the universe, only one black hole would really have gravitational singularity, then the entire universe could not exist. Because if only in one point of the universal space the singularity, gravitational, would exist, the entire universal space would have infinite gravity and the universe could not exist. I hope we are clear about this. Because once we have in the space, in a given point, infinite value, this infinite value cannot diminish. This is the very essence of infinity. And the beginning of this mysticism in physics is Albert Einstein. He was also top physicist, but with this curvature of space, actually he passed on the other side. This is also a mysticism. Yeah, that gravity is carried by the curved space. There is absolutely no scientific evidence for this. And then this mysticism has developed into idea that gravity is not a force and all kind of nonsense. So in order to to develop physics, in order to make a progress, that we really make a progress, the first thing, we have to throw out, we have to abandon, we have to uh, to 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 develop physics where there is no infinity of any kind. The only infinity in the universe can be that universal space is infinite, that universe is infinite. Everything else is finite, and singularities are damaging physics for years. For years, actually, for a century. It is time we stop with this.